Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general love reading for the month of September 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general collective energies and reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating, okay? So before starting your reading, I'm going to give you some messages which I received while doing the meditation, and then I'm going to start your reading. The first message which I was receiving here was Queen of Swords. Aquarius, you are moving here, leaving something behind with the Eight of Cups, okay? You're moving in a forward direction. Eight of Cups is our energy of moving in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment, okay? So you are moving towards lights in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups here. And there is Three of Wands. These two energies was there. So you're waiting for your ships to come, but you're not standing straight. You're moving in a forward direction, which was the energy which I was receiving here. And there is Queen of Swords here. Okay, so right now you are in your element. You are not emotionally available here. Okay, you are emotionally detached. Right now you are ready to cut anyone who is trying to manipulate or playing mind games with you, because Queen of Swords energy is someone who knows the truth. Okay, beauty with the brains, who knows what is the truth, and she will immediately cut the person or the energy if someone is trying to manipulate her. Okay, this can be, gender is not specific here. Gender you can take according to your situation, but Queen of Swords energy is here, which I can see. And there is a Tower movement here. Can you see? Eight of Cups energy is here. So you're moving definitely in a forward direction. You're leaving something behind and you're moving in a forward direction here. There is a Tower which is coming for you, and this is the divine intervention. And I always tell you in my readings that Tower is not bad at all. Tower is always good, because this is the divine intervention. Divine intervenes in your situation when you have to make some kind of important decisions in your life and you do not take that decision. So then the divine has to intervene in your situation so that you can make that necessary changes which are necessary for your life. So this is beautiful. The Tower is coming here. Okay, and the next thing was that the Chariot. You're going to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. You're moving in a forward direction. Chariot is the energy which I was receiving. Now you know the difference between white and black. Okay, you know what is right and what is wrong. So the Chariot energy is here. And there is Magician. What are you manifesting, Aquarius? You are manifesting something. And what are you manifesting? You're manifesting new hopes, new desires here, new beginnings. You are in your manifestation mode. 0333 is the recording reading time. Maybe you can see lot of 333 these days. That can be also a possibility, but you are in your manifestation mode. And I know, Aquarius, you can manifest anything once you are in your manifestation mode here. So you are manifesting something here. And what are you manifesting? You're manifesting new hopes, new desires, because Star is also here. I'm having the Star energy, and that's your energy here. 1 minute, let me take the Star card here. This is the Star. So the Star energy was also here. So this is your energy, Aquarius. Star belongs to Aquarius, which represents healing, which represents new hopes, new desires. So you are hoping for new hopes, new desires, new beginnings in love maybe, and that's what you are manifesting here. Okay, the Sun is coming for you, Aquarius, and there is someone who is coming towards you at a very high pace. Okay, with the Knight of Swords, and which I am seeing is Knight of Cup. So there is someone who is coming towards you. See, Knight of Swords, they're coming at a very high pace. This is the fastest speed in the tarot deck. Knight of Swords is very fastest energy, very at a very high speed. There is someone who is coming towards you. Okay, but this person is coming towards you to offer love. Knight of Cup energy is here. Okay, let me see the Knight of Cup. And this is someone from your past, because King of Cups energy is also here. Okay, so this is someone from your past who loves you, because King of Cup is someone who is in their emotions, who feels their emotions. This person loves you a lot and they follow their intuitions also. This is the King of Love, I can say. King of Cups is the King of love. Okay, so this person loves you. Maybe right now you are in this energy of Queen of Swords. Maybe you are not emotionally attached to this person, detached to this person basically, but they are coming towards you, Aquarius, with lot of love. Knight of Cup is here. Okay, and this is your lovers, and Six of Wands energy is also here. So you are going to get success, recognition, victory in your love life. Okay, and right now you are closing out some kind of cycle, because Ten of Swords energy was also here. Again, Ten of Swords and Ten of Wands, both energy was here. So you are completing a cycle which you need to complete. You're closing out a cycle. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 10 10 0 6 0 6 is the recording reading time. Okay, so maybe you can see lot of 10 10 these days, and this person is coming towards you to give you an offer, a commitment, a marriage proposal. Maybe because here I'm having Hierophant, and Hierophant is all about marriage and commitment. So this person is coming towards you with the marriage proposal. Okay, and this person wants to create happy family, happy life. 10 of Cups with you, and this was also the energy here. 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. See, so this person wants to create happy family, happy life, happily ever after. Okay, maybe you both want to create family with one another, but this is what they want to create with you. Okay, so they're coming towards you with lot of love. Okay, and Ace of Cups is also here. So this person wants to give you a cup which is full of emotions. They want to offer their heart towards you. Okay, so this is beautiful energy, Aquarius. I can see what I can see here, but now let's start your reading and let's see what are the energies, more energies for you. This was the energy which I was receiving while doing the meditation. Okay, some kind of solution which is coming here. Can you see there is a key and there is star. This is your, maybe you're going to receive some kind of solutions, new beginning, the key to your heart, but there is some solution which is coming for you, and this person is coming towards you. This is the Gentleman and the ships. Okay, so your ships are coming for you. Since this was the Three of Wands energy, you are waiting for your ships to come, and yes, your ships are coming towards you. Okay, so now let's start your reading. This was the energy which I was receiving while doing the meditation, and now let's see what are the messages. So beautiful energy for you today, Aquarius, and I love it. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the important messages for my lovely Aquarius, for their love life for September 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius. Yes, what are the energies? What are the messages for Aquarius? Six of Pentacles. No, they're saying me no. Okay. See, Chariot. I told you, you're going to move in a forward direction, definitely. And I don't read reversals, okay? Chariot is here. You're going to move in a forward direction, definitely. Maybe this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take, because Six of Pentacles is equal amount of give and take, okay? And now you know the difference between white and black, that what is right and what is wrong, okay? Ace of Wands. This is the new passionate beginning which is going to happen between you and this person. Let me see more energies. What are the energies? Maybe right now you are holding back from this person, okay? You're not ready to open up. Four of Pentacles. You're trying so hard to hold your energy back from this person. What are the messages? Communication is coming towards you. Eight of Wands. Lot of communication is coming towards you. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Lovers. I told you, this is your lovers. This is your love. bottom of the deck, again I'm having 3 of Wands and Sun. 1001 is the recording reading time. New happy beginnings are coming for you. You're waiting for your ships to come, and yes, they are coming. You will take a leap of faith and you will move in a forward direction, Aquarius. This was the energy, the Fool. Okay, definitely. See, this was the energy. Today's energy is very beautiful. I love it. I love it, Aquarius. And I always feel energetic once I start doing your reading. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. This is the good karma, the good luck is moving in your favor. Okay, there is definitely a proposal and collaboration which is happening in your love life with this person. Maybe you're going to get proposal of marriage or a commitment. If you both were not committed to one another, now you're going to receive a commitment, or you're going to get married with this person. Okay, you both are going to take this relationship on a next level. See, 2 of Cups. This is beautiful. And again, Ace of Cups. I told you this person wants to offer their heart towards you. This is the emotional fulfillment which this person wants to give you. They want to take a leap of faith, or you will take a leap of faith with this person. Bottom of the deck, I am having 3 of Wands and the Sun. So this is very beautiful. Okay, Aquarius, I love it. In the extended, I'm going to take these energies and see what are these energies is. So right now you are holding back from this person. You are not ready to open up, but this person is coming towards you, Aquarius, with a lot of communication and some kind of marriage proposal or a commitment. If it is not a marriage proposal, then this is a commitment. Okay, you both love each other, because here I'm having 2 of Cups. 1144 1144 is the recording reading time. You both love each other. Okay, so this is very beautiful energy. You will move in a forward direction with this person. Okay, let me see more messages for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Whispers of Love. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Maybe they will say, wow. Some of you, this is the new love which is coming for you, and this is the Union of Hearts. Bottom of the deck. Wow, this is beautiful. Take a chance on love, Aquarius. That's the message I'm receiving here. I love you. These are the powerful words. Maybe this person will say to you, I love you, my Aquarius, or you will say to this person. But someone will say you, I love you, Aquarius. Okay, and these are very powerful messages here. Some of you, this is the new love. Okay, embrace an opportunity for love in your work perspective or for your spiritual growth. Okay, so this is a new love which is coming for you, and for rest of you, this is someone from your past who is coming back in your life, but this will be a new beginning. So this is a new love. And the Union of Heart, a love connection defies explanation. Can you see how beautiful it is? So some of you, this is definitely a spiritual connection. This is the Union of Hearts which is coming here for you. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. Do something for someone. Give your attention to another one. So if you are not paying attention to your loved ones, or in your home, in your work life, so do something for someone, Aquarius. Maybe for animals, for nature, for yourself. Okay, give your attention to another one. And there is treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. Again, 10 number. So this is beautiful. I want one single message for you, and I got 5 messages for you. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Scared Indian Tarot deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? See, I told you. Right now, maybe you are having confusion with the moon energy, that what is exactly you want and what is the situation. Maybe you are having confusions, but you are in your manifestation mode. 1441 is the recording reading time. 1441. Magician is here, and again the Chariot is here. So definitely you want to move in a forward direction. Okay, you do not want to get stuck in this confusion state, and that's what you are manifesting. You want to manifest, you are manifesting things, and that are coming here, Aquarius. The Chariot is here, so definitely you're going to move in a forward direction here. Any other message? Maybe right now you are in the hermit mode. See the Sun. This is beautiful. New happy beginnings are coming for you. I told you in the beginning only, new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, definitely. And because Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck, so yes, new happy beginnings are coming for you, and that's what you are manifesting. Okay, there is Judgment, World, and Temperance. See, I told you, you're completing a cycle, you're closing out a cycle here with the World card. New starting a new cycle. And right now you have to keep your temperance, keep your patience. 1555. Maybe you can see a lot of 555 these days. Okay, so keep your patience, Aquarius. And there is some kind of judgment which is happening here. Either you are making a judgment for your life, or your partner is making a judgment, or the divine is making a judgment, but some judgment is happening here. So this is very beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, thank you. Let me add one message from the angels and ancestors, and let's see what are the messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Lot of messages. No, I just want one message. Please give me one message. Again, animal guardian is here. Trust your instinct. Spend some time with animals, Aquarius. Have a look on your general reading too, because there was a message in that reading also, that there is a specific message which you are going to receive through animals. Okay, there was a lizard, there was cat, there was birds, there was squirrel, there was rat. There's many animals in that picture. Have a look on that reading too. So there is specific message which you're going to receive through animal guardian, okay, through animals. And in this picture also there is a deer, there is owl, there is fox, there is panther, black panther, fish is there, and there is crow. So trust your instinct, trust your animal guardian. Animal guardian is here. And yes, right now you are in hermit mode. Retreat and recharge. Look the answers from within yourself. Okay, recharge your body. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the High Priestess of Light. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? This wants to come out. Wings of light, becoming something new. You are heading towards light, Aquarius. 1818 is the recording reading time. You are becoming something new, and that new is your soul. Okay, who are you on a soul level? That's what you are becoming. You are becoming the wings of light. This is very beautiful. I have to read it out from the book, but this is what it is. You are becoming the light, basically. This card says that there can be a sudden change of personal residence, or even an unexpected work relocation. Okay, when this card appears in your spread, make sure you have to take note of which others are laid out on each other's side. This card could be indicate some specific details about the types of changes on the horizon. Be open to these and new horizons and new adventures. Okay, This can redefine your appearance, may change, maybe the nature of your soul can change, your residence can change, your work can change, but some kind of change is coming towards you. And this change is what the change is coming. This is the change of light. You're becoming the light. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you. Now let me add one message from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Wisdom. Use your wisdom, Aquarius. Okay, right now you are having a lot of wisdom here, so choose your wisdom, use your wisdom. Maybe you can see a lot of white pigeons these days. Okay, there is Mother Gaia, Earth. They are also trying to give you the messages. So spend some time in nature, use your wisdom, and there is forgiveness. So forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, even forgive yourself. Okay, and move in a forward direction. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me see one message. Let's see what is activating inside of you. What activations are happening for Aquarius? Please give me one message. What activations are happening? Wow, your root chakra is getting activated. The frequency of root chakra, the red flower of life, stimulates passion, supports our sense of security on this physical plane, both in our bodies as well as in the physical world. So this is beautiful, Aquarius. Your root chakra is getting activated. Okay, so that's why you're feeling stability, security, and you're doing the manifestations because of this, because your root chakra is getting activated. Beautiful. Thank you. Let me add one color for you, and you can use this color. Maybe you can see a lot of rainbows these days. Okay, please give me one color for Aquarius. No, give me one. One color for Aquarius. Emerald. Calm your mind, body and spirit. Again 30 number. Okay, maybe you definitely going to see a lot of number synchronicities of 333 these days. Okay, you can use this emerald color for calming your mind, body and spirit. Okay, you can use this color. So thank you for giving the message. Now let me see one message from Krishna Consciousness Guidance card. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? One message. No. Presence of mind. Think and act wisely. Okay. So that is why they are saying use your wisdom. Maybe you will receive some kind of, there will be a situation in which you have to use your wisdom. Think and act wisely with the presence of mind. Okay, use your wisdom in that situation, Aquarius. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the yogic path. What is the message for Aquarius? Santosh. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, Anjana, your third eye is also getting activated. And while doing meditation also, I was receiving this message that your third eye is getting activated. Your heart chakra is getting activated. Your third eye is getting activated now. So this is beautiful because you will receive. That's why the message is that follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, your intuition is guiding you right in the right direction. So follow your intuitions, because your third eye is now activated here. But let me read it out from the book also. You have been using your sixth sense recently, your intuitive powerhouse, the third eye, and it is guiding you in the right direction. Your third eye sees far beyond your two eyes and the limitations of your mind. which can only dream up what is known. Your intuition speaks to you in whispers and visions, in feelings. Find the language of your third eye and continue to follow its hunches as you have been. The more you become aware of it, the easier dialogue will become. Your third eye is taking you on the very journey that your soul was put on this planet to fulfill. You came here to live, love, and learn. As long as you continue viewing the world from your third eye, you will surpass all limitation and you will find yourself limitless. Trust your intuition and keep moving forward. The path will continue to illuminate as you take the steps. So your intuition, your third eye, is guiding you to your soul's journey. Okay, Aquarius. So follow your third eye. Follow your intuitions. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the scared traveler. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Wow. I told you, you have to get ready for new horizons, Aquarius. Get ready for new horizons, far away places. Definitely going to travel somewhere related to work. Maybe you are changing your locations. Okay, so get ready for new horizons, far away places. And there is, the time is now, answering the call. New doors, maybe you have to make some kind of decisions. The door is opening up for you. You have to answer the soul calling here. The time is now. Okay, so these two messages are here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message. You are the chosen one. Okay, make a difference in people's life. Let me add one message from the Angels Power Wisdom cards. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one message. Wow, see, bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. Beautiful. Something new begins today. Embrace the possibilities. This is beautiful message from the angels. New beginnings are coming up for you. Okay, so be ready, Aquarius. Okay, get ready for new horizons. Get ready for new beginnings. And there is power of angels. May your angel protect you, guide you, and keep you safe. You are not alone. You are having the power of angels. They are protecting you. They are guiding you here. And there is Archangel Raphael. Raphael helps you to heal in mind, body, and spirit. This is double confirmation. In your main reading also, in your general reading also, Archangel Raphael was there, and Archangel Raphael is here to give you the healing. Okay, to give you healing, basically, to give you courage in your mind, body, and spirit. So Archangel Raphael is with you. So this is very beautiful. Thank you, Archangel Raphael, for giving the beautiful healing energies to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Anything else is left for you? Okay. Let me see one message from this deck also. The fairy tale. Then I'm going to tell you the signs which you may be dealing with, and I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, please give me one message. House. I told you your ships are coming. There is house. Wow. There is a gentleman who is holding a cup here in this picture, and there is ships. So someone is coming towards you to offer their cup, and cup represents emotions, Aquarius. So they want to give their heart towards you. They are coming. Your ships are coming. Maybe they will come towards your home, your house, or you will visit their house. But you both want to create a home with each other. And in this picture, there is a cat again, and there is a swan, there is deck. Definitely there is a dragon here. So yes, someone is coming towards you, Aquarius, with a lot of love. Okay. Now let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? So you can be dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. All air signs are here, okay? And you can be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. There can be a fire sign, Leo here. And there can be water signs, Pisces and Scorpio. Okay, so these are the signs which you may be dealing with. I hope it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Get ready for new beginnings. Okay, so this was your reading for September 2021. I hope it will help you out in some manner. In the extended, I'm going to see more messages for you. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.